Hello, Green Thumb friends. I'm Ken Lain, the mountain gardener. As Christmas Eve approaches, the holiday warmth is truly complete with living greenery. If you're rushing for last-minute touches, don't stress. You still have time to grab 3 essentials that brighten your home and enhance your gardening life well into the new year. Nothing says Merry Christmas like the flash of healthy holiday plants, the classic poinsettia. To keep these vibrant, protect them from cold drafts and direct heat. Never let them sit in standing water. Soggy soil is their quickest enemy. The Christmas cactus. For something more unusual, these cascading beauties actually thrive on neglect. Water sparingly, let the top 2 inches of soil dry out, and they may even bloom again for you by Easter. Most houseplants fail because of the 2 deadly W's: overwatering and underwatering. The water can. A long, thin spout allows you to deliver water precisely to the root zone without creating fungal issues on the leaves. The moisture meter. This is the real game changer. Simply insert the probe to get an instant reading of your soil's needs. No more guesswork for your poinsettias or cacti. While the garden sleeps, we plan for spring. I recommend the trach, a combination trowel and rake. It's perfect for raised beds, container gardening, or weeding in tight spaces. Use the trowel for planting succulents and the rake side for loosening compacted soil. You're truly out of time. A Waters Holiday gift card is the perfect choice. It lets your favorite gardener pick exactly what they need when the planting season arrives. Grab one instantly at watersgardencenter.com. Remember, the best gifts are the ones that grow. From all of us at Waters, Merry Christmas and happy growing.